kami sa kabila, meron pa daw sa lagoon.
Ayan, nakamungang kaya't pagsublin lakpay. Nagagayo. Bak mo ata?
One. Wow, it's so pretty. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Ang ganda. Wow. Careful, careful. Kasi may mga bato. Wow. Sobrang ganda, guys. So ito, maganda dito yung ano, ditong banda na lagoon ay yung mga kids ay pwede sila. So yung banda kasi doon mas malalim yung ano, yung tubig.
Alam mo tanti gagawin siya ng bag kalkalo mo diyan. Kasi dinya kali nito nakakagangay yung may sa isu. Nakakagangay yung may sa supot ng kasta nga tambay dati niya tagsugya kay kami.
Nag-i-enjoy lahat. Maganda kasi malinis siya.
Dina.
So dito kaming banda kasi ano, marami kaming kasama na ano bata. Okay.
Ay, kumatang mo lang sa labita. Paalam mo na, DJ ko.
You have to stay kinder because you need to walk far. I pick up your stuff. Yan, ang kapatid ko, nakapayong siya. Yan. Sobrang ganda. Yan, picture. Yan, nandun na.
Excited, excited. Awan lang alas albabida.
Yan, tingnan yung mga corals. Yan, dumadami na ang tao. Ang ganda niya. So maganda pag pupunta kayo dito yung naka-shoes kayo ng ano pang water at saka para yung pag step nyo ay ano yung coral. Naka-chinilas kami kasi. Ang ganda nito. Yan. Sobrang ganda. Aray. May star siya doon. Yan, may star siya. So ito yung, may mga cottage yan, may establishment din doon, banda. Ayan. I really love here, ang ganda niya. So itong Imoki ay nakita ko kay Charo. Hello Charo, yun nakita ko yung sa sa video mo. Yan, nandito na kami. Kasama ko yung mga family ko. Yes. At ngayon ay low tide daw. Low tide. So bato-bato siya, tingnan nyo, oh, ang gaganda ng corals. Ayan. Water. Super linis siya. So tingnan niyo itong plants. Nasa top siya ng nasa top siya ng ng yung coral. Tingnan niyo siya, oh. Ayan. So naka-stand siya sa coral. Gideon, are you enjoying? Gideon, enjoying?
Yes!
See how they enjoy it.
Me, I'm not. You see this one little boy? I'm enjoying.
Enjoying? Do you catch any fish there?
No, there's no fish.
No fish at all? How about the starfish?
There's no starfish.
Brianna, you okay?
Yeah.
Cool. How about Auntie Ann?
No.
You take care of the kids.
Because I'm taking care of this one.
Yeah.
Wala akong ipapalit pag nahulog siya.
Because you asked
Walang palitan ang kulot.
because she asked the mother to get something, so you have to take care of the child.
Ano nga natumban?
Sister, you okay? Sister, Carol, that's my sister.
Watching the helicopter.
No, she is in the paradise.
Uy, hangaglag to, hanganaw na. Bantay na lang po, goggles. Ano, lipatan mo?
Gibson, you okay?
I'm sitting. You sit also, Kyler. Please sit.
Yeah, you can sit, but be careful. Something there. Kyler?
Matumtumba. I'm okay.
Okay, good. Kyler? Where are you, Kyler?
Kyler, are you having fun too?
Are you having fun? Guys, are you having fun?
I'm watching Kyler's helicopter.
Jensen, where are you?
It's clean.
It's very clean.
My rocket is clean. Rocket.
So every it's like an island every corner. There's a fish. There's a fish.
Yes, I saw it already.
You did? Here. Wow, there's a fish. They are hiding under the stone. There. Here I have seen one. Just slowly. There is a fish hiding. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
fish. Go and get.
You can get that. Pasensya na kayo kasi mag-i-English ako dahil yung mga pamangkin ko ay English. Yan. There. Ang ganda, guys. I highly recommend this place. Very recommended. So I think that side ay pwede siyang talunin kasi medyo deeper that side. See, they are having fun. Do you swim? You can swim.
Yeah, but I cannot do like that.
See, nag-ano sila, nagda-dive sila dyan banda.
Remind me my handler.
Ma, ang kagaya mo nasugat anak.
Oh, that's why. Be careful. Do not jump. Say hi. Good doing. Hi. Hi, guys. Hello, guys. This is lovely. My niece.
I can wash you up.
No, be careful with my bag. Because I don't want to be wet.
Makita ah?
Oh, yeah. Makita ka. Here.
My hands are wet.
There.
Hi.
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 I did not see.
You did not see I dive there.
Nag-dive siya. Doon siya nag-dive. That's my sister. That's my niece.
Helicopter got trouble.
Yeah, sobrang ganda dito at yung mga gustong pupunta dito ay from Baguio to here is about 2 hours. At saka may entrance fee. Yung stayan namin, yung cottage is 1,000. Pero kung kunin mo yung up and down is 1,500. So, hindi ko lang alam kung ilang oras yun. But it's good here because it's affordable. And you really enjoy the nature.
Water rocket.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Where's the bangier? Okay, let's go. Oh.
May fish man na
Look at the fish.
Mayat garod na kwa adaje. Matumtum ba tay so nga kitam. Ang Gibson na.
Gibson, let's go.
Bala ka. Kami masukatan. Kayang tayo na. Agay ba?
Sige, Inkan. Oh, that's my sister. Hanak une. Ay, hindi ko alam mag-swim. Kaya, ayokong mag-dive. Yeah. Oh, see? Look at those. Ang gagaling nila. Oh, yan. Let's go there. Ibag tayo nalam dahil tapayong mo. Oh yes.
Sea Urchins Capital.
Yan Sea Urchin Capital of the North. Balawan. Balawan. Oh yeah. Balawan. Yan.
GR.
Balawan.
This is anya na yan mo napita sa tinapaglangon.
Ate kinaturod. Kita ang baka dalumahan ka makamumaglangon.
Siya?
Good.
Diyan na mo aglang. Yung hindi niya alam maglangoy. Be careful.
Ah.
May duda ako.
May salvedida siya. Okay lang.
Nagturod na yung kita. Nagturod. Ano? Oh.
Dito mo na lang si.
Ate, may katlong alagon?
Oh yeah, ito pala yung 3 niya, number 3, lagoon. Okay.
Anyan niya siya, madam. Sige man. Makakatagkan ka
Ay, uman-unagan. Nabasaan niya pantikan.
Aray. May ano ako. Pero pangit lang. Kapag salbabidaman mo inala siya.
Basta pala nalala ko lang.
Brianna, where are you? Oh yeah, there's lot. Oh my gosh, is lot. Tingnan nyo, ang dami nila. Naka-hide pala sila dito sa under ng under ng, ang dami nila. Di, sa rock. Under the rock, ang dami nila. Sige, magdadampot ka dyan ng fish.
Oh, siya.
Oh, you have a salbabida now.
Tyler.
This yours.
No. Do not go far. Just stay that side. Awan salbabida, lovely no kamatam kat ko. Oh, si Carol, may mundo siya. May sariling mundo. Nagado fish. Nadangay ko mapagkasto tayo. Win. Yes, this is our private.
Alaka, I don't have my goggles. My goggles, Mama.
You bring their goggles? Or did you bought those things? Gina? Binili mo yan? Oh, that's the old goggles. Oh.
No more birthday, okay?
Whose birthday? Oh, happy birthday! Oh, there are birthdays. Yeah. Genesis, happy birthday. There. And Sia. Sia, where's Sia? There. Sia there. And Gidon, happy birthday, Gidon.
It's not my birthday.
Oh,
March 8, 2020.
I thought it's together. Yeah, it's together. It's happy birthday. It's done now.
Mama, can I have my
March 8, 2020.
It's complete.
John Garcia.
Kurasa also. You forgot the Kurasa. Nabibleed nose ako dito. Right? Gidon? You're enjoying now? It's your birthday.
Mom, where's my goggles?
I thought you talk already.
Just borrow.
Kulalagat igama. Ano kayo tag-5 lumon?
Kyler! Kyler! Kayat na, Kyler, fix the, mama, Kyler, fix the goggle.
Ata batu.
Use your foot. Push. Push. And then you push.
Use your hands to push.
I sure. But it's better you swim like a fish.
Hanya makaswim ni Caro. Agpapayong.
Kita mo gigil nga. Dapat ka nog goggles. Dapat ka nog goggles. Na? Ada batu, ada batu. Ada batu.
Oh, your helicopter crash already in the water.
Fish.
Nalilinis guys.
Hey, John, yung papa is calling you. You go there.
Andi man is here, toy. Andi man is here.
Just go.
Go there, okay, you with me, okay. Go there, go, go.
Why Gidon is interpreter? May I see the interpreter? Ginawang interpreter yung ano, yung apo namin. May puti doon. Ay, inalam jay bag? Oh, sige ikagam na lang. Isupiman gam tiban bantayan na lang. Gidon, did you see the handyman?
Hey, Gideon is there. The monkey dive. The monkey dive.
Tingnan niyo, nagda-dive sila. Ooh. So, ano siya, very deep dyan. So, pwedeng mag-dive. May puti doon.
Amo tanan na ako dito. Anak mo no. Nakaragi.
Amot, yakap-amot na din ko. Ang daming halangan.
Nabisin.
Oh, careful. Oh, here's your son.
Ada nakita yung crab?
Ada di kaslat yung kalangan.
Ngamhan nga crab. Uy! Siya! Amo na pimani agko agpakpak. Siya! Wanan. Oh? Kaya pala amo nang agpakpak ngay. Ito ay lagoon. Kaya marami siyang outlet. Marami siyang outlet pero malinis siya. Still dai tikat ko, di ba? Sear dai, di ba? Iso nga salty. Still salty. Yes.
Dile!